Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Namse Krishna. So today I'm going to discuss about the most and very important subject that's going to be commerce, friends. I only want to say only one thing is, I request all the students to watch the video completely and you can get a perfect idea what kind of questions may appear in the public examinations. What kind of important questions. Regarding today in this video, I am going to tell about commerce paper 10 marks important questions, friends. 10 marks important questions, very important, weightage of 10 marks weightage. So this is going to be inter second year commerce paper 10 marks important questions for 2021 IPE, TS and AP. So friends, regarding 10 marks important questions for 2021 IPE, what are the important questions? Commerce is a subject. Why we learn commerce? Commerce is very important paper, very important subject. It will give lots and lots of knowledge. The student who is able to learn the commerce, they should understand the concept. The concept is very important. Understand the meaning of the commerce. What is the commerce? Why we learn commerce? All those things we need to know. Friends, the first question regarding 10 marks weightage, I am going to tell that is going to be define bank. Define bank. What are the benefits of bank? What is the meaning of bank? Why we use the bank? What are the functions of bank? What are the types and benefits of banks? There are so many banks we will see. What is the use of bank? Like savings account and different accounts will be there in the bank. So what is the definition of a bank? What is the use of bank? How we utilize the bank? That's the meaning we need to students, you need to understand. Define bank and the functions of bank. The first question. The second question is going to be explain the principles of insurance. Insurance is very important concept in which every student should be able to understand, friends. The principles of insurance is what? What are the principles of insurance? What are the uses of insurance? What is the meaning of insurance? Why we use insurance? What is insurance? What is insurance? Meaning of insurance is what? Try to understand the concept. The second, what are the functions and benefits of insurance? Definition of insurance, functions of insurance, benefits of insurance. Definition of banking, functions of banking, what is that? You should understand the meaning concept. What is a transport? What is meant by financial markets? Distinguish between capital and money market. Define stock exchange. One of the important questions for intermediate second year, friends. Intermediate second year in the common subject paper regarding 10 marks. Definition of a stock exchange. Functions of stock exchange. 98% important. This question may appear in the public examinations without any doubt. And the most defined stock exchange, functions of stock exchange, what is e-banking? Yes, what is the definition of banking? What is e-banking? You need to understand what are the various types of banking. The friends, only one thing I suggest each and every student to watch the video completely. First thing is, in the comments regarding 10 marks or any other marks regarding accounts. If you come to the second year comments regarding accounts or the definition, you need to understand everything. Now, if the students by heart and just learn the subject, it is impossible to get good marks in the public exam. The only thing is, understand, practice is the main concept to get good marks in the public examinations in the subject marks. Finally, I suggest one of the important questions regarding intermediate second year 10 marks weightage. And not only this, I suggest each and every student to refer the previous model exam papers. You can get an idea what kind of questions may come in the public examinations. You can get an idea, yes, these kind of questions may appear in the public examinations for the year 2021. So if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so that you will get my update in next videos. Thank you so much.